Since Darwin's time, scientists have been amazed by carnivorous plants. But can you really blame them? It's hard not to be marveled by the way a sundew plant uses its sticky arms to immobilize prey, or how the Venus trap resemblance animal jaws catching a prey. Researchers have for centuries tried to understand why these plants became meat eaters. And today, we're gonna talk about it in this video. Carnivorous plants are younger than many other plants and likely started appearing about 8 to 72 million years ago. There are more than 600 known species of predatory plants, and these plants have a few different tricks up their leaves to lure in prey. The Venus trap snaps up insects in jaw-like leaves. Pitcher-shaped plants with slippery coatings are death traps for animals that slide inside. Water-dwelling plants can even use suction to slurp up their victims. These adaptations and others make these plants surprisingly skilled and stealthy hunters. Until this century, technology haven't been equipped to investigate this properly, but recent technologies, such as genome analysis, have brought new insights that would have stunned Darwin and his colleagues back in the 19th century. Most of these meat-eating plants flourish in places where soil nutrients, and nitrogen in particular, are scarce. This means that the plants had to find unconventional sources of nutrients, which likely drove carnivorous plant evolution in the first place. The plants were feeling the evolutionary pressure to trade soil nutrients for animal byproducts, which happens to be insects. They're simply trying to capture nitrogen and phosphorus from their prey. The driving force for evolution was obviously the need to find an alternative source of vital nutrients. But how did leaves come to perform such unleaf-like functions? To answer this, researchers compared genomes of carnivorous and non-carnivorous plants to see which genes are switched on where and when. They found that evolution repurposed existing genes in meat-eating plants. This means that some genes were put to work in new places and giving others new functions. Originally, these non-carnivorous plants produced enzymes to protect themselves from fungi and insects. With a little help from evolution, plants in places with scarce nutrients repurposed their genes to start eating the things they were originally protecting themselves from. Over millions of years, these plants used the mechanisms to attack rather than defend. Essentially, carnivorous plants just manage to build on what a basic cabbage already has. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. And as always, remember the meat-eating plants.